Welcome to Design Seed, where style meets sustainability. Today, we're diving deep into the ultimate guide to eco-friendly home renovations. Whether you're looking to reduce your carbon footprint, lower energy bills, or simply create a healthier living space, this guide is your blueprint for a better home and a better planet. Let's get started. Let's begin with the foundation of every renovation, building materials. Choosing sustainable materials not only reduces your environmental impact, but often results in a more durable and beautiful home. Bamboo grows at a record pace and requires minimal water and no pesticides. It's strong, stylish, and incredibly sustainable. Recycled plastics are being innovatively transformed into everything from deck planks to tiles. They're water-resistant, durable, and help reduce landfill waste. Old barns, factories, and even wine barrels become rich, storied floors, beams, and furniture when reclaimed. It's eco-friendly and it adds unparalleled character. Not only do these materials save trees and reduce waste, they often come at a lower cost, especially in long-term durability. Plus, their unique textures and histories add personality to your home. Energy efficiency is at the heart of green living. Let's explore how your renovation can harness nature, technology, and smart design. Homes designed with passive solar techniques stay warmer in winter and cooler in summer without extra energy. Renewable energy systems like rooftop solar and geothermal heating are no longer futuristic. They're financially smart and environmentally essential. From intelligent thermostats to energy usage monitors, tech can reduce your footprint dramatically. These upgrades can cut utility costs drastically over time. And the planet? Water is life, and conservation is critical. Here's how to renovate with water wisdom in mind. Modern low-flow toilets and showerheads offer performance without waste. Less water, same pressure, major savings. Native plants and drought-tolerant gardens thrive with less water. Pair this with drip irrigation and you've got a lush, low-maintenance yard. Collecting rainwater for gardening or flushing saves gallons each year. Simple barrels or full systems, both work wonders. Every drop counts. Your landscaping and water choices can turn your home into a conservation champion. Your interiors deserve eco-love too. From paint to furniture, sustainability is as stylish as it is smart. Look for pieces made from FSC-certified wood, recycled materials, or locally sourced elements. Choose timeless design over trendy disposables. Avoid VOCs that pollute indoor air. Non-toxic paints keep your home breathable and safe. Linen, hemp, organic cotton, these materials feel good and do good. Combine them with upcycled art and furniture for unique charm. Designing sustainably doesn't mean sacrificing beauty, it means celebrating it consciously. Ready to start? Here are practical steps to make your renovation green. Research. Look for certifications like LEED, Energy Star, and FSC. Choose contractors wisely. Ask about their sustainable practices and experience. Reuse and recycle. What you already have might be repurposed creatively. Invest in insulation. One of the most overlooked ways to save energy long-term. Think life cycle. From installation to disposal, consider the full impact of materials and systems. And, most importantly, adopt a mindset of sustainability. Small changes add up to a huge impact when practiced consistently. Thanks for joining us on this journey to a greener home. Renovating sustainably isn't just a trend. It's a lifestyle that benefits your health, your wallet, and the world. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more eco-savvy design tips and share it with someone who's ready to go green. Together we can build a future that's as beautiful as it is sustainable. Until next time, stay inspired and stay green. Time code 000250800000258.